Hello, students. This is Richard Lee, 李国珍老师. As you can tell, today we're going to learn something really special. Dinosaurs. Everybody likes dinosaurs, right? Okay, but unlike any English class before, I'm not going to teach you about any grammar or vocabulary about this lesson. Instead, I'm going to provide content, and it is your job to study for it in advance. That means you have to study for it outside the class or at your home. So, are you ready? Usually, I'm the one who does all the talking throughout the whole class. You just have to sit there quietly and copy down everything that I write on the blackboard. But this is not the case anymore, because before the class, you have your preparation to do. You have to study for it. You have to read through the content all by yourself. During the class, we are going to spend most of our time discussing with each other, and then we're going to do a little presentation about this lesson. After the class, in order to make sure everybody gets the main idea of this lesson, we are going to give you a little test. Sounds exciting, right? Let me explain a little bit of what we are going to do for this class. First of all, you'll have to watch a video about dinosaurs. Then, you have to read carefully about the materials that I just gave you. Following that, when you come to class, I'm going to ask you many questions to make sure you do your job. Of course, I'm going to group you into two groups. You have to talk about important ideas with each other. Why? Because everybody has to come to the front and do a little presentation. In the end, I'm going to give you about 10 questions. You have to answer it correctly. Let's go to this interesting website and learn some fun facts about dinosaurs. In the Dino movie, you're going to learn dinosaurs have many shapes and sizes. Some of them eat meat, and some of them eat plants. And we're also going to learn why dinosaurs were the king of our world at that time. In the second movie, the fossil movie, you're going to explain what does a paleontologist do, and how many kinds of fossils are there, and how are they made. Something else is also very special about this class. We are going to use tablet computers to do our research on the internet. Not just that, we are also going to use tablet computers to do our presentations. How interesting it is! Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex, was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs that ever lived. Everything about this ferocious predator, from its thick heavy skull to its 4-foot-long jaw, was designed to kill. Fossil evidence shows that T-Rex was about 40 feet long and about 15 to 20 feet tall. Its strong thighs and long, powerful tail helped it move quickly, and its massive 5-foot-long skull could bore into prey. The name Triceratops comes from the Greek language, with tri meaning three and keratops meaning horned face. Triceratops lived in the late Cretaceous period. The Triceratops is one of the most easily recognizable dinosaurs due to its large body, unique frill, and 3 horns. It needed its 3 horns to try and protect itself from T-Rex, which lived during the same time period. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies the history of organic life on Earth, with a focus on organisms that existed in the distant past. Many people associate paleontologists with the study of dinosaurs. While not incorrect, the field is actually much broader than this. There is so much dino fossils can tell us. For example, by studying its body parts like the head, the wings, or the jaws, or the feet, we can learn how this animal lived, how it walked, how it flew, how it killed its prey, or how it was killed. By studying the plants or rocks near the fossil, we can have a basic understanding of where it lived. Okay guys, let's talk a little bit about the worksheet. Before we do this, you have to do your homework at home by watching your video, doing your research on the internet. And in class, you'll have to participate in the discussion with your partners. Why? Because you're going to do a presentation together. How exciting it is to be able to introduce your favorite dinosaur. Okay, why do we have to learn English? It's not all about the memorization of vocabulary and grammar. In the end, we're going to use English as a tool for communication. So, in this class, I want you guys to speak as much English as you can during discussion and your presentations. It's not easy, and of course, you are going to make mistakes. But who won't? If you don't open your mouth and really speak some English, you'll never make progress. So just relax and have fun learning dinosaurs while speaking English.